I would say that our preparations are going pretty well. We are playing to according what the coach wants, and for us it's very important to win the game as it's our away game, so it's important for us to get goals because we're still going to go home and it's going to count that we score more goals here away, and it's going to be better for us and it's going to be an advantage when you're going back home.
3 points are important and ke kene second half, so coach njwedi so re ke bone game go tsetsala, and because we don't have and most of the players ba khatsetse ko pele, so re tlo tlhoka speed ko pele, so most of the time ke tabogela ko spacing fela, but 3 points ne re tlhoka like serious, so ga re fitla Orlando it will be easy for rona, and away goal is at least to tsa away goal, so ga re fitla Orlando ga tseba we have to win again, but it's important gore re kore gape so ne re kgona go keep momentum.